Ever wondered how what you eat impacts your liver health? Your liver, a powerhouse organ, plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body, metabolizing nutrients, and maintaining overall health. A healthy diet is vital. Today, we're diving into 10 foods that may harm your liver. First on our list is alcohol. When consumed excessively, it can lead to inflammation and scarring, causing serious damage to your liver cells. Next, we have sugary foods. Overconsumption of sugars can lead to obesity and fatty liver disease, a condition where excess fat builds up in your liver. Fried foods make the third spot on our list. These are high in fats and calories, contributing to weight gain and obesity, both of which strain the liver. Salt, often hidden in processed foods, can cause fluid retention and high blood pressure, putting extra stress on your liver. Red meat, while a great source of protein, can be harmful if consumed in large quantities. It's high in saturated fats that can lead to inflammation and liver disease. White bread, rice, and pasta are high in refined carbohydrates, which can lead to an insulin spike and, over time, fatty liver disease. Certain fruit juices, especially those with added sugars, can contribute to fatty liver disease by increasing the amount of sugar in your diet. Saturated fats found in many baked goods and fried foods can cause inflammation and fatty liver disease. Lastly, processed foods, packed with preservatives and additives, can overload the liver with toxins, leading to potential damage. Eating these foods in moderation or avoiding them altogether can significantly improve liver health. So, we've covered 10 foods that can have a negative impact on your liver health. These include alcohol, fried foods, and processed meats, among others. A balanced diet is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. Remember, your liver works hard to keep you healthy. Make sure to return the favor by being mindful of what you eat.